Hi, I'm Mike Barland from MGP Caliper Covers. Today we're going to do a quick install on the 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Part number is 42020, which fits the 11 to currently the 18. Might go higher, but today is 2018, so we'll see how long they keep the same caliper. We'll be using the ProForm type of cover, and this is our new snap clip, so I'll show you how this installs. So simply take the long leg and put it underneath the caliper bracket. It's a little bit of a tight fit when you're first starting it, so you just got to get it under there like that, and then rotate it forward and it snaps right into place. So again, hook it underneath, the long leg goes underneath, and then rotate it up and it'll snap into place, and then pull it towards you so it stops on the inside here. And then simply put the caliper cover in place. I do the bottom legs first. Then up top here, just stretch that. You can see it's a little bit short. Just stretch that a little bit. Comes up and over. Lock it down with the 4 1032 nuts and tighten them to 25 inch-pounds.